Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Access to Tech. Today we will be learning about the basic concepts of MS Word. In this video, I'll be telling you if you are new to MS Word and you don't know how to use MS Word. So I'll be telling you how you can perform basic operations in MS Word. So let's get started. Like right now I am using Windows 10. So over here, what you need to do where it is written type here to search, just click over here and you need to type Word. As soon as you will type Word, you will see that the Word application will get open in front of you. Just double click on this, and as soon as you will double click, this type of window will get open in front of you. Now from here, what you need to do, just click on this blank document. Just double click on this blank document and you will see that a Word document will get open in front of you. Now I am just maximizing the size of the window. So I'm just maximizing the size of the window. Now I hope it's visible to everyone and you can see. Now, as I told you in the starting that we'll be learning about the basic operations of MS Word. So today I'll be teaching you how to make your text bold, how to make your text italic, how to make your text underline, how to change the text size, how to change the text style, how to change the font color or text color, how to make your text, how to change your text alignment, and how to put bullets and numberings. All these things I will be teaching you in this video, and how to put watermark and how to change the page color and how to apply the page border. So let's get started. So I am typing something. Let's say I am typing welcome to access to tech. Are you all stay at home and stay safe by the present times which are going on. So I request all of you to stay at home and stay safe. Now, whenever we want to apply any formatting on the text, remember guys, whenever we want to apply any formatting on the text, firstly we need to select the text. So what I am doing, I'm just selecting the text. How you can select the text? With the help of mouse. What you can do, simply press left mouse button and just simply drag it. Then you are able to select the text. Now, after selecting the text, what you need to do, all the operations which I told you, which we will be performing, all the things will be present in Home tab. So already Home tab is selected. So you can see all the options are over here. So this where Calibri body is written. As soon as you will click here, you will find different font style. So whatever font you want to select, you can select as per your choice. So I am selecting this one right now. You can see the difference that right now the text style has changed. So from here you can change the font style. Now I want to increase the font size. So how I can increase the font size? Just after this style, you will find this font size button. Just click over here and you can increase or decrease the size from here. It's up to you. You can increase and decrease the size as per your choice. So I'm selecting 24 right now. Earlier the size was 11. Now I have selected 24. Now this is about font style and font size. Now let's talk about from where you can make your text bold, italic and underline. This button is used for making your text bold. This button is used for making your text italic, and this button is used for making your text underline. So from here, you can select these bold, italic, underline tabs, and from here you can select font style. From here you can change your font size. Now let's talk about font color, from where I can change my text color. Right now you can see that the text color is black. If you want to change the text color and you want to make it red, green, yellow color as per your choice, you can do it simply this button, this this icon where A, and just after A red line is there, just click here and you will find lot many colors. So you can select any color from here. Let's say I'm selecting red color. So red color you can select it from here. So now you can see that your font color is changed. So here are the basic things which I told you about. Font style, you can change it from here. You can change your font size from here. You can make your text bold, italic, underline from here. And from here, you can change your what? Font color. So if you want to change your text color or font color, you can simply, you need to click on this tab and then just select any color of your choice. So I just like red color, so I have selected red color. That's it about the formatting on the text. Now let's discuss about how we can change the font, how we can simply put that, this, apply this bold, italic and underline option. That also I told you from where you can make your text bold, italic and underline. Next thing is how to change the alignment of your text. So I'm just writing something. I'm just writing, let's say I'm writing hope you all are fine. So what I'm doing, I'm just decreasing the size. I'm just clicking here and just decreasing the size. So you can see that the size is 10 and it's quite short. And after this only, this where this numbers is written, number 10 is written. Just after that, you will see A. From here also, you can increase or decrease the size. The big A, basically it means that to increase the size, and there's another one that is to decrease the size. So if you don't want to do it from here, you can simply do it with the help of these two options. One is for increasing, another one is for decreasing. Now as you can see that the font size, we have already decreased the font size. Now over here, these are the alignments. By default, it is left aligned. If you want to make your alignment as center, just click here. You can see the difference that now your text is coming in center. If you want your text alignment as right, then click over here. So you can see the difference. By default, it is left aligned. Otherwise, you can change the alignment as per your choice. Now, let's say if you want to apply the bullets option. Let's say I am writing different subjects name. So I'm just doing that. Just a second. I'm doing that. I'm writing, let's say computer first subject. Another subject I'm writing, let's say English. Another one as Hindi. Another one, let's say your science. Another one, say mathematics. So you can see that I'm writing different subjects. If you want that the subjects will come according to the numbers, let's say computer number 1, then English 2, then Hindi 3, then science 4, then mathematics 5. So what you need to do, just select the subject, all the subjects. After selecting, what you need to do over here, you will find numbering option is over here and bullets option is over here. So as soon as you will click on bullets option, you will find different bullets. So if you want to apply the bullets, you can apply it from here and you can see the difference. If I am selecting, I'm changing the bullets, you can see down that, accordingly the changes are being done. So what we need to do, we can select any bullet as per our choice from here. If we don't want to select the bullets, if we want to select the numbering, then just you need to click on this numbering option and then you can select the numbers as per your choice, numbers or alphabets according to your choice you can do. So this way we can simply apply bullets. Now let's talk about another thing, how to change your page color, how to set the page borders and how to set the watermark. So what I'm doing, I'm just deleting all these things. Just select the text, and press simply delete key. You can see each and everything will get deleted. Now, I am using right now 2019. If you are using 2010, then you will find these page border option, page color option, and this watermark option in layout tab. Just please listen to me very carefully. If you will be using these 2010 version window, this Word 2010 version, then you will find these three options in layout tab. But yes, if you are using 16, 19, you will find these options under design tab. So just click on design tab. After clicking on design tab, you can see that the page color option is coming over here. Just you need to click on this page color option, and then you can select any color of your choice. So it's your wish. You want to choose any color, you can choose, is your wish. So if you like pink color, so let's say I'm selecting pink color. So lighter pink one, yes, and then click on OK. So you can see the difference. Now your page color is pink. So this way you can change the page color as per your choice. You can select any color. Let's talk about page borders now. After page color, you will find another option, page borders. Just click on page or border. You can select any border from here. But if you want to apply any art kind of border, then just down you will find this art option. Just click here. Just click here, and you can select any border, anything from here. It's up to you. You want to select whatever border you want to select, you can select it from here. So let's say I'm selecting this apple one. Just click and then click on OK, and you can see the difference. This apple border is, you're able to apply this apple border. So if you want to simply select any simple border, then just click here, none, select none, and from here, you can select any border of your choice. It's up to you. I'm just selecting this one. So after that, you need to click OK. So you can see the difference. Accordingly, you can change the page borders. Now next is watermark. So just click on watermark. If you want to create your own watermarks, then what you need to do, just click on custom watermark. After clicking on custom watermark, just click on this text watermark, and where it is written ASAP, if you are applying text watermark, then over here you can simply write access to tech. This is my channel name, so I'm writing my channel name, and then from here you can simply change the color. Whatever you want to do, you can do it from here. You want purple, you can select purple color. From here you can change the font style, any style of your choice, and size also accordingly you can change from here. After this, what you need to do, you need to click on apply option. You can simply see that watermark is coming on your page, access to text. So this way you can apply watermark in your document. So these are the certain basic things about Word. In our next video, we'll be discussing more about MS Word thing, what all things we can do, how to type things, how to do formatting in a question paper. All these things we'll be learning. Till then, take care of yourself, stay at home, and God bless you all. Thank you.